If you have back pain, hip pain, or knee pain, today I'm going to show you a great exercise that you can try at home with no special equipment that may help you. Now, it's called a twisting step up. So it's not a regular step up. You're going to use any kind of size step that you want. I'm using a 4-inch step. You can use a regular step. You can use a 2-inch book. It really doesn't matter. Now, it's a little bit technical, so I got to show you how to do this. This would be a regular step up. That's a regular step up. And of course, we are not going to do a regular step up. You are going to do a twisting step up. Now, what's so darn special about a twisting step up? When you do a twisting step up, you are going to strengthen your hip, right? So it's going to give you hip stability and back stability, and that's what's going to relieve that pain. So watch how I do a twisting step up. I'm going to start facing the step, and by the time I go up the step, I'm going to finish facing this way. And then I'm going to go back down and I'm going to start in that same position. So I want you to think about you're stepping up like you're going up a spiral staircase and then down a spiral staircase. So let me show you again. Now, I'm going to use a finger on the handrail just to keep my balance. So it's going to look like this. I start here, I end there, I end here, I end here. So it's a 90-degree turn. Now, the slower you go, the more you're going to get out of it. And no joke, if you don't hold on, it's one heck of a balancing exercise. You can do that if you want to go for the varsity version, but you don't need to. That's not the purpose of the exercise. The purpose of the exercise is to get strength in that hip that's on the step. So you twist as you go up, and you untwist as you go down. So you start facing this wall, and you end facing that wall, and then come back down. The bigger the step, the more intense the exercise is going to be. The smaller the step, the easier it is. So that's your exercise for the day, and I hope you try it out.